Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be setting up another weekly spread for September. In this week on the 22nd, it's the first day of fall, so I tried to go with some fall colored stickers. I couldn't find a lot of decorative stickers that I liked, so instead of decorative stickers I just colored in some boxes using the same colors of the other functional stickers I had picked out. So I'm using these rounded boxes, and that sticker there says first day of fall. I like the rounded boxes because I don't really use them too often, but I think they look really nice in this spread. I'm also putting down some to-do lists. This is a pretty functional spread for the week because I do have a lot going on. I need a lot of space to write. My color scheme is mostly pale orange, pale green. I couldn't find too many stickers in this shade, but I do really love these shades. So if you know any sticker books that have many colors of this shade, please let me know in the comments. I also chose stickers from a Zodiac sticker book. And yeah, I hope you liked the video.